Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that a statement from the Amhara government just now said that curfew has been imposed in the Desai Amhara region and there will be no movement in Desai after 8 pm. And the Tigray Defense Force is now moving towards Desai, says by Amhara region. To stop them, we need citizens' help and all people stay in their homes. While on the other hand, a statement issued by the Ethiopian government said that more and more Ethiopian people and citizens should join Ethiopian National Defense Force and regional militias to prevent Tigray Defense Force from moving forward. Viewers, as reported, Tigray Defense Force has entered the Valdia city and have gained full control. And now, according to reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered Marsa, which is situated between Valdia and Desai on A2 highway. And the main purpose of Tigray Defense Force at this time is to gain control over Desai as soon as possible. But there are three major areas: Marsa, Vichale, and Haik on A2 highway between Valdia and Desai. And according to reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered Marsa and now clashes have started between Amhara forces, militias and Tigray Defense Force in areas around Vichale. Viewers, on the other hand, Tigray spokesman Getachew said that people were already dying of starvation due to the blockage of Ethiopia, especially in Kola Tambin, and the number of people in dire need of food is increasing. Viewers, he said he called on the international community to provide assistance to those dying of hunger. We will open the corridor to the west. We will ensure that the international community has the resources and the means to provide the assistance it can. And we cannot allow Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed to hold the entire population hostage. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.